Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to the channel. If you are a massive C-drama fan, you might want to sit down because we have an absolute wave of incredible news today. From highly anticipated historical thrillers, finally locking down their official premiere dates, to brand new modern romance announcements starring your absolute favorite top tier visuals. July and August are shaping up to be legendary for drama lovers. We are talking massive revenge plots, nostalgic high school to adulthood sweethearts, and sports team school romance. Today we are breaking down three massive projects that everyone is talking about. We have got the full scoop on the release schedules, cast rosters, and behind the scenes production teams. Let's jump straight into it. The blockbuster historical Blossoms of Power. First up, let's talk about a major heavyweight costume drama that just dropped an official release date. Get your calendars ready for July 9 because Tencent Video and Yauke Media's costume drama Blossoms of Power is officially premiering. This series brings together an incredible pairing. Meng Si and Hye take on the lead roles. For those who love deep, layered storytelling, you will be thrilled to know this series is adapted from the popular novel After I Bloom, 100 Flowers Die by Jin Wang. Let's talk about what this story actually is. As we see from the gorgeous teaser, this is not just your standard floppy palace romance. It is a high-stakes, gripping tale of a crown prince and a county princess. They find themselves forced to join forces, navigating a web of ancient political intrigue, intense power struggles, and burning desire for revenge, all while trying to protect the empire from crumbling around them. And look at this cast lineup. The production value looks incredibly rich, and the styling is immaculate. Fans are already losing their minds over Haeyu's return to the costume genre and the chemistry between him and Meng Si is already looking top tier. If you like smart main characters, dangerous political maneuvering, and a romance born out of shared adversity, Blossoms of Power is going to be your next obsession starting July 9. The Summer Youth Romance Road to Success. But what if you are craving something a bit more modern, youthful, and sweet? Well, iQIYI has you covered immediately. Tentatively scheduled to premiere on July 3, we have the highly anticipated modern drama Road to Success. This show stars the absolute beloved Esther Yu, alongside the rising star Chen Jingye. Just looking at the stills, you can immediately feel the unique vibe of this drama. We see them on a sports field holding a soccer ball, giving us those classic, nostalgic youth vibes mixed with growth and ambition. According to updates shared during the recent IKEA World Conference, as seen in the beautiful Carousel trailer teaser, the show also boasts fantastic special leads including Victor Ma and Si Yin. Fans are already flooding social media expressing how much they are looking forward to seeing Esther Yu play the role of teacher Lin Wanxing. The anticipation for this one is sky high, with many calling it an automatic hit drama incoming. It has got that perfect blend of youthful energy, career aspiration, and modern romance that makes for an easy summer binge watch. Mark your calendars for July 3. This star-studded new announcement, Endless Summer. Finally, we have to talk about a massive project that was just officially announced and is preparing to head into production. Meng Ziyi is pulling double duty in our news today because she has officially been locked in as the female lead for Tencent Video's brand new urban romance drama, Endless Summer. And guess who is starring right alongside her? The incredibly talented Ding Yushi. Fans are absolutely ecstatic to see these two reunite and bring their incredible on-screen vibes to a modern romance setting. Let's dive into the plot synopsis. The story centers around a young woman who is tragically separated from her childhood sweetheart by the cruel timing of fate. Years later, as adults, their paths unexpectedly cross again. What follows is a turbulent, emotional tug of war as she navigates lingering memories of the past and highly complicated feelings in the present, before they ultimately decide to reignite their long-delayed summer love story. And the visual chemistry between Ding Yushi and Meng Ziyi is already off the charts. What makes Endless Summer an absolute must-watch on paper is the elite production team backing it up, which we can see detailed in the official project sheet. The director, the drama is helmed by Han Yan, known for acclaimed works like Generation of Goats and Viva la Vida. And the producers, Wang Xiaoyu and Wang Seni, the brilliant minds behind hits like I Don't Want to Be Friends with You and Will Love in Spring. For cinematography and art direction, they have brought on Su Enli and Chen Sen, who previously crafted the beautiful aesthetic for Will Love in Spring. The series is officially scheduled for a 90-day filming cycle starting in mid-August, taking place across beautiful locations in Guangdong Province. So whether you are ready for the dark, vengeful political world of Blossoms of Power on July 9, the sweet youth romance of Road to Success on July 3, are looking forward to the emotional depth of Endless Summer, C-drama fans are eating incredibly well this summer season. Which of these three dramas are you most excited to watch? Are you tuning in for Haeyu, Esther Yu, or the highly anticipated reunion of Deng Yushi and Meng Ziyi? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for your daily dose of C-drama updates. and hit that notification bell so you never miss a breaking announcement. Until next time, happy watching. Bye!